JPO here again, now with a mail call from Ukraine. This is a custom razor from Roman I think it was sent from Lviv in Ukraine. Using a Chinese razor to open the package. It's best use I have found for it. And it comes nicely packaged in a wooden box. This is my first razor from this artisan. It's an old school design. A smiling blade with it's a heavy grind, and as you can see, the thickness of the spine tapers down from the tip down to the end of the razor. This hopefully maintains the same bevel angle from the tip to the heel. So it's really well designed. Yeah, the fit and finish is an alignment of the blade was spot on. The pin is pivot pin is tight, and everything is feels nice, and the balance is quite good right over the pinch point. Some mirror chrome polish, so that's nicely executed. Yeah, and the edge, this is from the tip of the razor scrolling down to the heel. The edge was in probably one of the best factory edges I have received. So the toe of the razor is could probably be a little keener and more refined, but as you go into the middle of the blade, it's more almost perfect. And as you move towards the heel again, it's there are some imperfections, and but they are minor, so it would probably shave really well as it is. So probably wouldn't need to rehone this, and it shouldn't take much effort to put to clean up some of the areas that needs some extra polish. Yeah, so as you can see, this area is more or less perfect. It's, from what I can see, it looks like a chainette edge, but I'm not sure what he used. Yeah, so not much interesting stuff here. Just skip ahead if you don't want to see the whole the length of the blade. Yeah, but these small chips are small enough that you shouldn't be able to feel them during a shave, and there's no need to do anything at the moment. But yeah. So this is towards the heel, and this chip is also not as big as it appears. It's probably 30 microns, or maybe even less. So you can't see this with the even with the loop. So yeah, so I'm quite impressed with this factory edge. Just needs a little work on the heel and on the toe, and yeah. So I'm using convex the Shiro seat Suita to start off the work. Using a hard Tomo Nagura. That's yeah, it's technically not a Tomo because it's not a companion stone to this, but it's hard enough to just kick off some of the base stone. Yeah, so basically you just hone it like you would hone any other straight edge. It's nothing special about this. It's actually a little easier to hone these slightly curved blades if you just roll your stroke. Yeah, and the razor didn't need much work, so yeah. But there's something. The heel is lagging a little behind, but yeah, I didn't want to leave any marks on the spine, so yeah, I'm trying to do a minimum amount of work to this. So this is actually enough to remove some of those micro chips and give it a slightly better geometry at the toe and at the heel. The middle of the blade was more or less perfect, so but when you remove the material at the toe, you need to, of course, match that with the rest, so you can't just on the toe and the heel. Yeah, so as you can see, even a narrow edge smiling blade can be honed on a convex stone. So nothing stopping you from using these stones for that purpose as well. The steel feels quite good on the stone. It feels more or less like a Sheffield razor, but I can't recall what type of steel he uses. But to me, it feels the heat treat and steel feels quite good. this is a, a hard Usuku finishing stone. Again, using the same Jomo. This is probably better matched with this base stone than the other combination, but I'm using it for both. Exciting stuff. Yeah, and this is this stone is flat, by the way. So, but there's not a big difference in how you use it, especially with these curved blades. You're rolling the strokes and trying to pick up undercut. So again, the heel is not aligned with the belly of the blade. It's probably would be a good idea to do some work without tape, but yeah, let's just see how it shaves. And one side also seems to need more work than the other side, so you just need to do the amount of work you need on each side. It's yeah, and it's really nice to hone this profile. It's nice to have some extra weight in the blade. Yeah, and finishing up with some light strokes. Now I'm getting resistance on the stone, and the undercut is yeah, it's more than good enough. There's still something going on at the heel, but just only on one side of the blade, and yeah, and from then the factory edge was quite good in this area as well, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time trying to get the heel perfect. It's just the start of the heel that is a little probably needs more work, but yeah, and it's tree topping quite nicely, and feels like it's good. This is the final edge. Is yeah, there's not a big difference between this and the factory edge. The main difference is that this is like this for the whole length of the blade, and there's no small microchips and rounding at the toe area, and yeah, just a small tune-up. So hopefully this will shave quite well. It's looks like a really nice razor. Thank you for watching.